Hi, guys, and welcome back to 3 Books in 3 Minutes with Willard. I'm Chelsea, and in honor of July being Culinary Arts Month, what better way to celebrate than to review some awesome new cookbooks? And what better way to review a cookbook than to actually test out a recipe? So, I tested a recipe from each of the cookbooks today, and I'll share a picture of how it went. But please keep in mind, I am not a chef. So the first book that I tested for you guys is called Trejo's Tacos, Recipes and Stories from LA by Danny Trejo. Now, I remember Danny from movies, but I had no idea that he was a chef with his own restaurant, and his recipes are no joke. This book is full of some of Trejo's favorite, authentic, and LA-inspired Mexican-style recipes. The coolest thing about his book is that it takes you on a journey through his life. I learned so much about him that I never knew. Cool facts about LA, and even more about his unique cooking style. It's so much more than just a cookbook. So from this book, I tried his Mexican-style corn in a bowl and his chipotle crema. It was a bit spicy, but it was absolutely delicious with chicken tacos. This book is perfect for anyone looking to explore their skills and try something completely homemade. The next book that I tried is called Just the Good Stuff, 100 Guilt-Free Recipes to Satisfy Your Cravings by Rachel Mansfield. This is a fantastic book for anyone with special dietary restrictions or a restricted diet. It is especially focused on paleo-friendly and gluten-free meals, and it's perfect for anyone that's just getting started with these and needs help. She walks readers through the basics, like the staples of our kitchen, and each recipe is marked to indicate if it's paleo-friendly, gluten-free, dairy-free, nut-free, vegan. Now, I'm none of these things, so a lot of the ingredients I needed I didn't have. But she even had a recipe for spaghetti squash that even I could make. I was a little worried about it, but honestly, it was delicious. She even gives you tips for roasting the seeds for snacks and tells you how to keep it fresh. So the last book that I reviewed is called Meals, Music, and Muses, Recipes from My African American Kitchen by award-winning chef Alexander Smalls. This was a cookbook unlike anything I'd ever seen before. Smalls takes two elements, music and food, that are close to his heart, and he mixes them in a way that shows readers how they go hand in hand and how they played a role in his Southern upbringing. There's a mix of traditional Southern recipes combined with classics that he's given his own style to. For example, his chocolate pineapple upside down cake. Pineapple upside down cake is a staple in my house too, and I had never heard of this take on it, and it's so simple to make. I also took pictures of a couple other recipes like fried okra and bourbon truffles to try later. This book is great for anyone looking to learn a little while they bake a little. Well, I hope I inspired you all to test some recipes for yourself, whether it's from one of these books or another. And since I shared mine, I would love to see some of yours. So share a picture and the title of the book you got it from in the comments below. Thanks for watching.